Okay, so in the previous video we have seen how to create this comment system, but we only create a view. So obviously when we are posting a comment or when we are adding a comment, there must be some sort of a input field, right? So I forgot to input that thing in the previous video, so I will now uh, show you how to add the text input as well. So it's quite easy. All you have to do is I will remove this duplicated thing. What you have to do is, so I think it's better if we add the comment input over here, so it's aligned with this footer. So post footer over here I will add comment input field, so it just basically text input. So input text. Okay, that's it. Yeah, so we have this thing, and I will add a placeholder. Right, a minute. Yeah, placeholder. Let's say add a comment. Okay, good. Then yeah, maybe we can add a comment button as well. So let's add that one as well. So I will download some icon. Let's go to our HTML and site. Yeah, so let's search as comment maybe. Okay, now I have several options over here, so you can choose whatever you want, but I think this one is somewhat nice. Okay, just download it. Okay, go over here, cut that out, go to the, sorry about that, go to your project hierarchy and public folder, inside the imgs, inside the maybe components post, I will make this as comment button. Right, so now yeah, we have this count stuff, and I can add maybe, sorry, comment stuff, then we can add yeah, let's say post footer comment button, right? Yeah, so this comment button basically it's a img like this, but goes to the imgs components, then don't need these stuffs, and I will go to the post, then simply comment button .png. Okay, yeah, the button will look like this, but it's not quite large. Sorry. Yeah, let's try to manipulate the stylings as well. Okay, oh, this is post comment button. Put those stylings. Good. Let's go down here. So post footer comment button. Then maybe inside the components I have specific thing called buttons. Yeah, so instead of adding like this, I think it's better you go to the buttons stuff. So inside these buttons we'll make exact similar thing like this. Whenever you hover it, another styling needs to be added, something like this. So let's try that out. Yeah, here is the styling, but it's quite large. Sorry. So there are several things we can do. Maybe, yeah, let's first try to change the color or somewhat like this maybe. Okay, then color like this. Then let's remove this margin left. Okay. Then how about the padding? The padding, I don't need that one because I have an image. And the width is not needs to be 100%. I will just make it as pixel ratio like 100 pixel maybe. Then I think I don't need much brighter color. Let's set some light color like this, and this maybe. Okay. um, then we can manipulate comment button image as well. So this image basically having some sort of height and width, so I will make it as maybe 14px and it has 14px. uh, yeah, because that thing is not manipulating, I already had manipulated over the footer images, I guess. Create on index. Yeah, over here I already manipulate the image size. I think, for instance, I will disable this so it will look like this, having 20 in px and 20 in px, right? So go to the buttons, that 20 px and 20 px, not necessarily to be 30 px, 30 px. Okay, so I will look so for 35. Okay, now that's somewhat nice, I guess. So inside the post img, instead of explicitly specifying the entire images, I will just go to the post likes and I will manipulate that specific image like this, and this maybe like this. Okay, likewise I can manipulate this lighting as well. Okay, now I have post and I have this button thing. Everything seems but okay except this one, right? There is some sort of a space because in the form input text field I had that space, as I remember. That's why maybe having that thing over there. And I'm not, but let's change the color again. Be like this. I mean, if about this, I think only having this icon will be enough, right? Then what we can basically do is we can make the absolute position of this div to right. So if I show that thing is happen, initially we have this position. So all I have to do is go to the post styles and put a comment button, right? So maybe go to the buttons. So you have to make the position as relative and maybe left as say 10 px. Okay, it goes to the other side. So maybe let's set minus 20 px. Okay, nice. I think that option will be nice. And I don't need this poor shadowing as well because it seems quite good. So I will remove this box shadow as 0 alpha. Maybe yeah, because I need to add this thing when I'm hovering it, right? So it's 0. And yeah, maybe can make it as 0.3, so it's a default one. Okay, now there is no transitions, but when I'm hovering it, the border is getting somewhat radiating, but it's kind of okay. Now comment button is here. I can click as well, but I think comment button with maybe I can reduce somewhat as like this. Okay, maybe 70 px. Okay, then I will remove this color. Okay. Enable it again and maybe 25 px. Okay. So maybe I will remove this border radiating stuffs and I will make somewhat like this. No, we'll remove this color as well. Okay, so this is the comment button, this is the comment field, and yeah, we have done several stuffs as well, but I think if I'm going to cover the controller class, this session will be much longer, so I will make another video for the controller class. So in this video we have discussed how to add this text input field. The next video I will discuss how to add specific uh, commands or add a comment over here. So yeah, thank you.